What's up, guys, and welcome back to another Roblox video, and today we'll be playing some Slime Survival. Now, I found this game, and it's actually really fun. I've been playing it. As you can see, I have a sniper. But also later I will be posting a gorilla tag video with some of my friends. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Also remember to smash that like and subscribe button if you want to see more content. Let's make this video get 100 views and 100 likes. If this video can get at least 200 likes, even more than our goal, and we hit 100 subscribers, I will be friending 5 people on Roblox. But anyways, looks like they're getting through the barrier. This is harder than I thought, actually. Look at that big chungus! Oh, he was easy. Thought he was a boss. I wonder if there is bosses in this game. That's actually a pretty good question. Oh, well, that answers my question. Huh? So if you want to see more of this game, make sure to tell me in the comments, or tell me if you want me to play any games that you may like, or you want me to see or play. There I go. Oh, you respawn. I guess that doesn't matter if you get one to do it or not. You just respawn. Why is he only going for me? Like, bro. Why? Why? Why are you only going for me, you big chunky boy? Well, this is an insane strategy. Never done this before. And there goes my cape. That's why I like wearing a cape. And there I go. Oh, my mask and cape is back. Okay, that's actually really good. Kind of see why I like wearing a cape now. Okay, yeah, I've been playing this game for who knows how long. Also, make sure to go check out Puff Up VR. He posts some pretty good videos over there. A fence. See if this fence will... that's a really good fence, actually. Barricades? We need barricades. Oh no. Okay, there, we're back on track. And we're good. Need some lamps just in case it turns nighttime. Get to the front lines! Man, that house is in the ground. I wonder how that happened. Man, I wish I had these computers. That'd be really cool. If you're new here, check out some of my other videos, and also make sure to go over the Puff Up VR. Me and him like to collab a lot, so... But like I said at the beginning, there's gonna be a Gorilla Tag video tonight. We may try and summon a ghost, so... We're basically gonna be Mythbusters tonight. Here comes one of those weird brutes, whatever they are. Was that a blimp? No, that's not a blimp, that's a hot air balloon. Yeah, hot air balloon, that's the word. Hot air balloon. I will try and get another video uploaded tomorrow too. The 2 videos I'm doing tonight. So. Hope you guys had a great time. And I will see you tonight in a different video. Stay tuned for Gorilla Tag. And as always, MJ Play out.